channel. My name is Inga and welcome to all of you faithful subscribers. Welcome back, and to you newbies, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to give you this gorgeous coffee bar station nook idea, whatever you want to call it. I think it will be a great addition to your kitchen and whatever space you would find to put it in. So delightful. And if you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on my videos, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos by me. Guys, I had this vacant space or this area underneath my countertop section, and I thought it would be good to just set up a coffee station or a coffee nook right here on the countertops. And as you can see, I already have the KEURIG set up, the K-pods and a few other things that I have set in on it already. And that sign, I did that myself. Coffee anyone. I got the wooden plaque from Walmart and I just decided to put the smiley face on it and make a little coffee cup. See this turntable here? I got this from TJMAXX, and I placed the frother on there, the coffee press, and these cups here are some cups that I got from PIER 1, and it says peace, hope, joy, and love. I thought these were so cute and I thought they would be perfect for this spot. And this is a sugar canister that I will be placing on that turntable also, and I did have this particular item in my TJMAXX find, so I'm just filling this with tea bags because it's a tea canister. And yeah, I'm just gonna place it on the turntable right there, and it's so gorgeous. It's white with that rose gold. And here I have this cute little canister, and I have some chocolate covered spoons in it rather. We have the dark chocolate with marshmallows and the white chocolate with candy sprinkles, and I have that cute little bow on it right there, just in time for Valentine's. And yeah, so that's the right side of the coffee station or the coffee nook. And right here you see a tray that I also purchased from TJMAXX. In the center towards the left side of the coffee station, and these are my K-pods, some Starbucks there, Dunkin' Donuts there, chai tea latte is there, and some leftover holiday blends. So this is my coffee canister, and I keep my ground coffee in that. And here I have some Starbucks vanilla syrup that I'm pouring in the oil pours, and you guys saw this also in my TJMAXX find, so I'm just gonna put that there with some caramel syrup. And this is my creamer cup, so I'm just placing that right next there, just like that. And as you can see, it's always fitting to put a little bit of home decor in there. So these are some snowflakes, and the weather is just cold here. It's actually snowing, so this came in perfect for this area during this time of the year. And Those are some little doilies that I placed in the center of the tray. And this is a glam coaster right here that I got from PIER 1, and it came with this little salt shaker, so I am using that for my cinnamon shaker for this little coffee station. This is a little mini cake dish that I have, and this is a purchase from Marshalls with some traditional Italian cake in there. And these doilies, I'm placing my cupcake holders there with a few little cupcakes, and those are the marshmallows and gummies and the wafers and cappuccino. Forgot to mention that I have some lights underneath the cabinetry. So I'm completing this with that fruit dish in the middle there, and I lit a candle so to get that warm ambiance in this area, because as you can see, or I told you earlier that it's snowing outside, so my lighting is not that good, so you guys can bear with me. So give me some feedback on this coffee station or coffee nook, and let me know if you guys would consider doing this in a vacant area on your countertops, or would you make space for it? Just let me know. And here are the different scenarios that I'm showing you guys. And if you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment on my videos, and hit that notification bell so you miss out on any other videos by me. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.